Welcome back to our channel, friends. In the fast-paced world of manufacturing, mastering production management has become crucial for business striving for growth and competitiveness. In production management, now we are going to see following sections, such as elements, importance, types, functions, techniques, challenges, and its solutions. I am leading business coach from India. I am looking forward to help your business growth. Let's see now.
1. Exploring the essential elements of production management. Let's start by exploring the basic elements of production management. At its core, it involves planning, coordinating, controlling, and optimizing the production process. This includes setting production goals, organizing resources, directing activities, and monitoring progress to ensure efficiency and high quality. 2. The importance of effective production management in manufacturing. Why is effective production management so important in manufacturing? Well, it ensures that operations run smoothly, resources are used efficiently, and the final products meet quality standards. All these contribute to reduced costs, improved customer satisfaction, and ultimately, business growth. 3. Types of production management systems. An overview. There are different types of production management systems, each suited to specific business needs. These include job production, batch production, mass production, and continuous production. The choice of system depends on factors like the nature of the product, market demand, and production capacity. 4. 5 key functions of production management. Next, we'll look at the 5 key functions of production management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Each function plays a crucial role in ensuring that the production process is efficient, cost-effective, and delivers quality products. 5. Techniques for improving production management efficiency. Improving efficiency is a common goal in production management. Techniques such as lean manufacturing, Six Sigma, and just-in-time production can help minimize waste, optimize resources, and streamline processes. 6. The role of technology in modern production management. Let's explore the role of technology in modern production management. From automation and data analytics to AI and IoT, technology is revolutionizing the way goods are produced and managed. 7. Production management and lean manufacturing, a powerful synergy. Production management and lean manufacturing go hand in hand. Together, they create a powerful synergy that can significantly improve manufacturing efficiency and productivity. 8. Challenges and solutions in implementing production management. Implementing production management is not without challenges. From resistance to change and lack of skilled personnel to high implementation costs and sustainability concerns. We discuss common hurdles and ways to overcome them. 10. The future of production management, trends to watch. So, what does the future hold for production management? Expect to see more automation, AI integration, sustainability practices, and innovative technologies like digital twin and blockchain. In conclusion, effective production management is at the heart of successful manufacturing. By staying abreast of emerging trends and continuously evolving, manufacturers can ensure they remain competitive in this dynamic market. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.